IRS Form 1098-T is the tuition statement. Eligible colleges and universities issue it to report payments they received for qualified tuition and related expenses. Students and families use the amounts on it to claim education tax benefits, such as the American Opportunity Credit or the Lifetime Learning Credit, on Form 8863. If you are the school filing the form, you complete it and send a copy to the student and to the IRS. If you are the student, you usually receive it and keep it with your records. Start with the filer information, which is the school or institution issuing the statement. Enter the filer's name, address, and telephone number, for example, State University. Then the filer's taxpayer identification number, such as 123456789. This identifies the eligible educational institution to the IRS. Make sure the name and number match the school's records, because the student will use this institution information when claiming an education credit on their own return. Next, enter the student's information. Provide the student's name, for example, Anna Baker, and the student's taxpayer identification number, usually their social security number, such as 987654321. Include the student's address as well. Accuracy here matters because the IRS matches the tuition reported on this form to the student who claims the education credit. Double-check the spelling of the name and each digit of the identification number before moving on. Now report the financial details in the numbered boxes. In Box 1, enter the total payments received for qualified tuition and related expenses during the year. For example, $8,500. Other boxes capture adjustments for a prior year, scholarships or grants, and indicators such as whether the student was at least half-time or a graduate student. Enter each figure in the correct box since the student relies on these exact amounts when figuring an education credit. When Form 1098-T is complete, send the student copy by the deadline, file the required copy with the IRS, and keep one for your records. Students should compare the form to their own payment records, since the school's figures may not capture everything they paid. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.